Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, and we are going to start pulling what's sold for us today.
Hello friends, I did want to thank Laura. She bought us a coffee and said she loves our channel. Thanks for all you do. She made her husband watch our channel because football is almost over now. So now it's her turn to get to watch stuff in.
Awesome, yeah.
So thank you so much, Laura.
Reselling is way cooler than football.
That's true. We used to watch Broncos like every Sunday, and it's just...
Ever since we've been self-employed, we just don't have the time.
Yeah, it's just not really on the schedule anymore.
It's like the easiest thing to cut out of the schedule. As hard as it was, we were diehard Bronco fans for a long time. So
He was.
I made her be.
I watched it with him, but I didn't. I enjoy baseball more or basketball.
Yeah.
Alrighty. The first thing I sold today was the Zippity Zip. If you're not new here, you've probably heard me talk about these a lot. And if you are, these are really good little things to pick up if you ever find them. The brand is actually called Sleeping Baby, but this style, I guess, is Zippity Zip. Not exactly sure how that works, but if you find one of these, pick it up. You can usually get between 25 to 30. This one sold for $28.50, free shipping on Citizen. The shipping costs $4.15 out of that, and I did pay. I have $9.74 into this all. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace, so it was priced at like $5 plus the $4 shipping plus tax. So I'm still profiting. I wrote down $11.19 after Citizen fees and everything. So there's something shipped straight to my house, making an $11 profit for just taking a couple photos.
Right. Yeah, Zippity Zip's one of those brands that seems to sell quick. It's a good bolo.
Since our kids were babies, which has been a while.
Yeah.
And they've been selling at that price, so.
Shark Tank product that's gone mainstream.
Yeah.
So.
Alrighty, we'll stick that in a panda mailer. I did sell a pair of shoes from up here. These ones. So, I accepted a lower offer than I wanted. Not that I wanted to, because obviously I accepted it, but I was hoping for more, and I could have held out for more, but I paid up for these at $22 at Goodwill. So I also wanted to get that back fairly quickly. Someone offered me $50 on Posh, so Posh takes 20%, so that means I make $40, but I paid $22, so only about an $18 profit, a little less when you consider I pay tax and stuff, so. But that's okay, they sold really fast in just a couple weeks, so I'll take that profit and I get my $22 back as well, and then buy something else.
Right.
Plus, I like when stuff sells on Posh, because if these sold on eBay, I think they're like a 3-pound shoe that could have been $15 for shipping.
Heavy, big, and bulky.
So, yeah. I think we're gonna ship those.
A B fat.
Either a B, actually might be a better for a large flat, right?
Yeah.
These are pretty big. I think they're men's 13. They're just a nice big shoe. So, those are Nike Air Force Ones, like the triple black or whatnot. So Air Force Ones do well. I feel like the white ones are the best ones right now, but all right. DE. Zara pants. These are some kids Zara pants that were my son's. Don't remember what I paid for them, but I sold them for $17. Free shipping on Citizen. Shipping is costing $4.15, so I'm probably making back about 11 or 12 bucks on those. And I probably spent between 12 to 15. I usually don't spend more than 15 on Zara pants. So, jungle mailer. And I feel like I have a few Citizen sales here because I've been posting more kid stuff this week, so.
Been getting rid of our personal kid items a lot more.
On top of my normal 105 listing.
Yeah.
So. All right, Viviana bought another bundle from us. Viviana, thank you so much. This might be tricky. It's a small little thing. All right, so this is just a little, like a crocodile skin type. I don't know. Croc card case.
Okay.
So. And then this is Draper Games, which is Reese Witherspoon's clothing line. Nightgown. So this actually, they both came from a FabFitFun box. This one I did wear a few times. Decided to sell. And then, yeah. the little crock case also came from a Puppet Fun.
That's just like a little card holder kind of thing?
Yeah. And I had already made my money back on the box before I listed either of those, so we're calling it Pure Profit. Viviana offered $25. I accept it. So
Awesome.
Thank you again, Viviana.
Yeah, Viviana, thank you so much for all the support. Greatly appreciate it.
All right, a hanging jacket. This is the brand Molo. It's a good kids brand to look out for. Usually their prints are really like crazy like this.
All
just
over
kinda
kind of
all
thing?
over. Yeah. Very like real looking, I guess. Well, these are skeletons and stuff, but most of the stuff I've had of theirs is like animals and it just looks very real looking.
I see.
So just cool prints
That is
like
cool.
this. They retail for a ton of money. This jacket was probably $300 new. I actually bought this off the Real for my son to wear, and he did wear it a couple times. It just wasn't the one we were reaching for most often, so I listed it. Sold it for $68 plus shipping, so I still made like a $25 or $6 profit.
Okay. Even sourcing off the Real. That's cool.
So, and that's sold on Mercari. So, yeah, I do source off the Real sometimes. If you join the Real, I don't think there's any affiliate codes or anything, but if you just like, I think, join their mailing list, you'll get, they randomly send out $30 credits. And then you can, whenever when I buy at least one thing. So, yeah, very happy with that. That is going UPS, which means I'll find a box in the closet to put that in. All right, BG. Yay. I just bought this because I had to, but the comps were not great, but I'm happy with what it sold for. I did pay $5 for it just because, again, honestly, I don't usually buy stuff thinking, oh, a viewer's going to buy this, but I thought a viewer might want this. I don't know. Most people like Harry Potter, I feel like.
Yeah.
So I don't think a viewer bought it, though, but it did sell in just a few days for $17.95 plus ship. They didn't say anything if they are a viewer, but if you're a viewer, Lori, thank you.
Yeah.
So yeah, 5 into 18 in just a couple of days. I'm happy with that.
And that was 100% wool even, right?
Yeah, that's the only reason I grabbed it.
Yeah.
I mean, I see the Harry Potter stuff all the time,
Yeah.
but there's just so much of it out there, and you can usually like get the acrylic type ones and stuff for very cheap. Probably at even Walmart, so... Yep, only grabbed that because it was wool. So yeah, don't run out and buy a bunch of Harry Potter stuff just to buy it, but...
Unless you're like a big Harry Potter fan. Then go hog wild, get all that collectible stuff.
Yeah, if we ever get to go to Harry Potter World, Wizarding World, whatever it's called, I hope to find a bunch of stuff at the thrift for us to wear and stuff while we're there. All right, these are some J. Crew men's just basic khaki pant. I paid $4.99 for these. They sold for $20 plus shipping in just a few days. So bread and butter for you. I think that was about a $12 profit, which I am very happy with for just a pair of basic J. Crew pants. And those are shipping in a padded flat rate. And then BZ. Very happy to wake up to this sale. I think I've had this maybe almost 2 years, definitely over a year. It's Ralph Lauren, but it's like a women's down vest and it's brown.
Oh, yeah.
There's nothing special about it. It's just brown. It doesn't even say Ralph Lauren on it other than in the neck tag, which you can't see when you're wearing it. So I feel like Ralph Lauren stuff that does better has the pony or some sort of writing on
Visual
it. Visual
reference.
I only bought that not because it was Ralph Lauren, but because it was down feather. Usually down feather anything can do well, even if it's a cheapy brand, but that one did not. Well, I still made some decent profit. Just took forever.
Yeah.
I paid $5.99 for the vest, sold it for $26.95 plus shipping.
Okay.
So, not horrible.
So did that not fall in the brown puffer vest or puffer jacket craze of
No, I think that
2021?
was specifically the North Face.
Okay.
I don't even know. I think it was one of the Jenners wore that or something.
Somebody famous.
Yeah. So...
Or Kardashians, maybe?
Yeah, maybe one of... I don't even know.
Are they the
keep
same?
Up with that stuff. I would have... If I found one to sell, I would have figured out who wore it, but...
We do not keep up with the Kardashians.
It's crazy. Like, I mean, yeah, if anything's ever worn by a famous person, you can pretty much write their name in the title and get a lot more money. These are some childhood's kid shorts. These were my son's. I bought them off Kitizen for $18. He wore them. I sold them back on Kitizen for $28.50 free shipping. So shipping costs $4.15. I am actually profiting about $2 on these, even after we got some wear out of them. So very happy with that. Actually, I'm saving the dog ones for more like adult like things. So, and the kids can have more like these jungle animals. I know. It's a very
whatever
system
works.
I have in my head going on. All right, box Adidas. Trying to remember. Oh yes. Sometimes I just write like I just wrote Adidas, and that could be a million things. So.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought of a shirt
Yeah.
right off the bat just because shoes.
So this is actually going out to our viewer Robin. Thank you so much, Robin. She bought this for $16 plus shipping. It's just a basic Adidas gray shirt. I actually bought this asking Chris if he wanted it, and he didn't, so I listed it. I did pay $2.50 for it, so I bought it knowing if he did not want it, I could sell it.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Robin.
Robin, thank you so much for that support.
Hey, and speaking of, you're an adult, so I'm going to send it in this dog mailer. All right.
Puppy mailer for the puppy. He's sleeping today.
Yeah.
It's actually, I think we mentioned yesterday, it was another snow day today. It's really nice and sunny out, but yeah.
Snow day, but our kids had appointments on Wednesday.
Yeah,
we're
today-
kind of like behind.
Today's been a rough day, not gonna lie. Stressful, never stopping. And then we have a live tonight, so
Yeah.
hopefully that goes well.
Yep, our computer has frozen up a couple times recently, and we're just really hoping that doesn't happen on the live, because last time we went live with List Perfectly, it did happen. And
Yeah.
luckily, we were able to fix it fairly quickly, but just hoping that does not happen.
Fingers crossed. I'm sure by now, if you've seen the live, you'd know how well or how horrible it went. So
Yep.
we're nervous anyway.
All right, this is a bundle that sold, where was this? Kitizen. Yeah, Kitizen. An Incredibles shirt and some Merrill kids hiking shoes. Total for the bundle sold for $38.40 free shipping. These do weigh over a pound, so they're going to ship out in a padded flat rate, which through Kitizen is $8.55. So that comes out of my free ship price. The shoes I bought to sell, so I did pay $8.99 for those. The Incredible shirt was my son's, and I had $10 into that. So I'm still making some profit here, but not as much as, had the Merrill sold on their own or whatnot.
Right.
So. Alrighty, have another viewer sale. Actually, have it right here. This is going out to Zach.
Zach again.
He left us some more good feedback. Thank you, Zach. So I already pulled these out because, I had them. There were 2 lots of 7, and I had them separated and in boxes and stuff, so that when I listed them, I knew exactly how much to charge for
weight,
medium mail. Yeah. So when I saw he bought both last night, I grabbed them down, made sure I had a box that fit them all, and because I was able to ship it for a little bit less too. So that is great. They fit nicely in here. And yeah, just 2 sets of 7 Goosebump books. Zach paid $40 plus shipping, and I probably paid, I can't remember. So we got a bunch at a garage sale last summer, but I don't think those were these ones. I think those were the more like the 90s ones, and these ones are the more modern ones. So I think these are the ones I paid. Like, I bought off our local Facebook marketplace. I wanted my son to read them because I loved them when I was a kid, but he said he's too scared. So we'll try again in a few years maybe. But if these are those books, I paid about $25 for like a big set of them. So
Yeah.
So thank you again, Zach.
Yeah, Zach, thank you so much.
I don't know if you're reading them or you have a kiddo that's reading them. Hopefully.
We're collecting them. I know they're collectible.
Hopefully whoever is reading them is not too scared.
Yeah.
So
I'll tell you, just going through the titles brought back, those memories, and which is funny because when I was young, I was not allowed to read Goosebumps. And so I'd, read them at my friend's house or whatever and stuff like that. The naughty boy I was. But I just remember having in the 4th grade or something, 3rd grade, I can't remember what grade, but having to sit out in the hall and read my own book because they were reading a Goosebumps book out loud. And
you poor kid.
Talk about embarrassing. So
life was different when we were kids, and that was not that long ago.
I know.
It's crazy. Like now our kids just do everything. Like their school even is pretty much on iPads. It's just
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
All right, this was the last sale and probably the best sale today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Best sale, at least dollar-wise. I'm not sure if profit-wise, because this is technically Chris's shirt. Brand is Sims, so if you ever see this, pick it up.
Sims 2 M's, right?
Yeah,
I think
so this is a fishing brand.
the 1 M is like the snowboarding brand, so
Yes.
SIMS.
And like this says Sims fishing products.
Right.
So, yeah,
Which the Sims snowboard stuff does okay, but I think the fishing brand does better.
Yeah, last time I found a shirt the other day, I checked sell-through, and it was like over 200%, just the brand in general, not necessarily a specific flannel or whatnot. But anyhow, I think I paid about $40 for this for him to wear, and he did wear it. He's just never wearing it, so I was like, I'm going to list it because that's a lot of money just sitting in your closet if you're not going to wear it. So anyways, it sold for $76.46 plus shipping.
Very nice.
It's just a flannel. It does have like a thermal lining, but it doesn't even have pockets or anything. So
See, and I like it. It looks good on me. It fits well. It's just too hot. I'm never really in a situation where I need that much insulation.
yeah,
I've got enough
doesn't
built-in
like being
insulation.
hot. Today we're just out walking in t-shirts with all the snow and stuff.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you see the snow's out and the window's open. We had to close it a little bit just to block some noise, but
yeah, so this I even got way more than like comps were showing. So I listed high just because I kind of wanted him to keep it. So I was like, if it sells for a lot, we'll sell it. If not, maybe try it again next winter. But it sold in less than 30 days, and I priced it high because it was a 3X, which anything 3X or more, I usually price higher because it usually sells, and it's harder to find those sizes.
Yep.
Yeah, these flannels I think retail for like $110, so they're still paying quite a bit for around because they were all in like $92 with shipping and stuff. So
It is in great shape though.
yeah, I think you only wear it once or twice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy and sad it sold.
We'll find more. That's the cool thing about reselling. We'll come across more in the future, and
So
maybe better ones. So
yeah, and that was gonna go priority mail. I think I'm gonna have to just double bag it because I did a 2-pound label, and I think the shirt's like 1 pound 13. So can't do a box.
right.
So,
Well, all right. So we'll go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and then we'll check back in with you guys after that. Reese was dreaming a little bit, didn't really catch it, but
he doesn't think we're as funny as we do.
you ever try to like talk to your dog while they're sleeping to try to make their dreams change? No.
Or just see if they're actually sleeping by saying like walk, treat, ice, carrots, jerky, outside,
Massage?
go for a walk, go for a ride.
Yeah, I guess he's sleeping.
Definitely sleeping.
So yeah, we got everything all packed up, ready to go. I don't think any more sales came in.
Nope.
But I think we might cut it here, guys.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of work to do. Kathy's been trying to get some stuff ready to go for our live tonight.
This is probably what I'm working on tonight. It's all photographed. I do need to get it measured. Chris usually measures for me, but was getting the whole live stuff, like all the cameras and stuff set up.
Yep.
So today's been a little, plus all the kids being home for the second snow day and stuff, is just throwing the whole day off.
Hectic day. So we do have quite a bit to do still before our live, which is what you said, like 3 or 4 hours, 4 hours away.
Dinner.
And yeah, gotta do dinner and all that kind of stuff. So the stress is kicking in.
On.
And to top it all off, our house is a disaster. We haven't really had time to clean the house in the past couple of days. So, and I think we've mentioned we've been working on the floor in our master bedroom. So our dressers and like all of our furniture's out in the living room.
What's making it feel
That's probably what makes it feel like it's a bigger mess. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get off here and get doing that stuff, and that's what we have going on today. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys were able to tune into the live stream that we're stressing so much about. But I think it's gonna go great, and I think we're gonna have a good time. So guys, thank you so much today, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.